So we entered the room, and the first thing to your right is the bathrooms, or the bathroom. And you have a pretty nice mirror, and it's pretty spacious, a good sized sink, another little mirror, towels, obviously the commode, and the bathroom shower with the little soaps. It's pretty good size. And this is the renovated side of the hotel. Then to the left of the door is the closet. Ooh, it's pink. And you can see we have an ironing board and an iron. And it looks like maybe drawers or something on this side. Drawers and some more hangers. And then when you come in, this is a joining room, so if you did need that, you would be able to do that. And then here is the bed. Cute little flamingos on the wall for the flamingo. Dressers, lamp, little charging station it looks like, which is nice. And then we have our TV. And I believe they said we have well, here's some more drawers. And we have a fridge and a safe. Nice. And we have a nice little like sitting area, cute little, oh, and I love this lamp. Oh my gosh, I just saw that. How cute. And then what we thought was super fun right when we walked in, because we wanted to see what we could see, and we are seeing the habitat. So we can see some flamingos. We can hear the DJ, I think, at the pool. And it's kind of our view. Looking up, and we can even see the sphere over there. So yeah, we're liking our room.